Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing Notion with Monday.com. So, which one is the best productivity tool in 2025? So, whether you're managing your projects, organizing tasks, or collaborating with teams, these apps come in handy. So, today we'll be comparing the features, pricing, and all the cases scenario in which you can use them. So, starting with Notion, Notion is basically highly customizable with drag and drop block system for notes, databases, and project tracking, as you can simply see on their website. And it's great for personal use and teams who want basically a flexible all-in-one workplace. Moving on to Monday.com, it's basically a structured, team-focused, offering Kanban boards, automation, and workflow templates. So if you need more of out-of-the-box type of project management tool, then Monday is easier to set up. So comparing the features and customization, Monday.com is basically built for task tracking, automation, team collaboration, and making it a better structure for the business outflows and larger teams. On the other hand, if you talk about Notion, Notion is basically amazing for knowledge management, note taking, and document collaboration. But basically, its project management feature requires manual setup. So that's like a downside of it. And if you talk about all the pricing, you can basically get Notion for free, while the team plans basically starts at around like $10 per user per month. So it's basically affordable and feature-rich feature. If you talk about Monday.com, it's also the same that the basic plan is free for individuals, but if you go for business plans, it basically starts at $10 per month per user, offering all the automation and integration. So if you ask my final verdict, I would just simply say use Notion if you need an all-in-one customizable workspace for note-taking, databases, and everything. And obviously go for it. Monday.com if you want ready-to-use project management and all the tools for automation and team collaboration features. So, and that's it for this video for today. And I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.